It's me here, Chico Kings. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, guys, today makeup tutorial with NYS makeup palette. So what I'm going to do tutorial today. Hope you guys will love it. Hope you guys will enjoy it. Yeah, please guys, if you enjoy it, if you like what you watch or what you are even seeing, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. What's much of your time? Let's just get into it. So that's the eyeshadow palette I'm going to use for today's tutorial. I'm going in right now with the yellow shade, the yellow color in the palette. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just taking it and bringing it out. So one thing about makeup, as I said, as I used to say, you have to take your time to blend it very well. Just take your time, not be in a hurry. So right now I'm going in with the orange shade, the orange color. That's what I'm using right now, the orange color in the palette. I'm going with orange color on my crease. I'm just applying it on my crease, and I'm taking it out of my eye a little bit. I'm taking it and bringing it in, just taking my time to blend it. So right now I'm going in again with the first yellow shade I used above my crease, just to blend it with the one I used, the orange color I used on my crease. I'm just blending it so that there will not be harsh lines. Now I'm going to cut my crease with Revolution concealer in shade 2C2. Just stay, please watch the end. Don't be in a hurry, just watch. Right now I'm going in with lemon on my eyes, the lemon shade on my eyes. Right now with yellow color, just to blend it out. Right now I'm using the green on the outer corner of my eyes. I'm using green, and I'm using it for eyeliner too. I'll just use to create a little bit eyeliner there, as if I put eyeliner there. Yes, just great. That's what I'm doing. So that's what I'm doing right now. So guys, watch, don't go anywhere, just watch the end. I know you will love it. I know you will love it. Just watch. Try to subscribe if I've not subscribed. If I'm watching to this extent, have not subscribed, please subscribe, share, and like. Right now I'm going to use mascara on my lashes. This NYS mascara. I'm going to use it to boost my eyelashes before I put my fake And now I'm putting the fake lashes. These lashes I bought it from AliExpress. I've said it before. If you've been watching me, you know. Myself with essential, this essential primer. I'm using to prime my face. Sometimes people will be asking you, is it more that you will use primer on your face? Yeah, if you want the makeup to stick, and if you don't want the makeup, and when you want to remove the makeup will just go on it without even, you know, dragging to remove the makeup. I think you have to be applying eye primer. I'm doing. I'm doing it with L'Oreal foundation. L'Oreal, L'Oreal foundation. I think this in cappuccino. Then I'm going to blend it with my beauty blender. So that's what I'm saying. Some people sometimes they prefer using brush to blend their make foundation. Some prefer using beauty. Anyone that you are comfortable with. The only thing is that don't even do it as if you are rubbing it. Just dab it on your skin. Don't, you know, do it as if you are rubbing powder or you are rubbing something. Just dab it. So I'm going in right now with C12 Revolution Concealer in C12. So just tap the powder, the foundation, sorry, not the powder, just dab it, dab, not even, you know, rub it as you are rubbing powder. That's when you get good and nice look. All these makeup products I use, they are drugstore's products. They are drugstore products, honestly, and it comes out very well, very well, very well. So going in with my loose powder. I'm just taking it the area I conceal. I use the concealer on. So that's what I'm doing. The only thing about this is still drugstore product. The only thing about makeup I think is that when you take your time to do it, all these drugstore makeup they work very well. Honestly, they very well. Very well. So I'm going in right now with my MAC powder. I think it's N45. NW45. Yeah. As I'm using to just set all of my face. Using this powder palette from my contour because I cannot throw it away. I've used my shade and I decided to be using it for my contour and it works for me. So I'm going to align my face with Sephora highlighter. That's what I'm using to highlight my face. Then I'm going back to NYSC palette on my eyes. I'm going to use the shade the orange and the pink color in the palette to just highlight under my eyes. It again from Sephora to just highlight my nose. So I'm going over to my lips now. I'm going to use to line my lips now. I'm going to use eyebrow pencil to line my lips. Yes, you hear me? Eyebrow pencil to line my lips. Yeah. I think I'm going to use today is from L'Oreal, matte 430. So that's what I'm going to use on my lips. So I don't really want, yeah, that red is so, the red is okay, but I just want to, I think this red is okay, but I just want to, I should leave it this way. I wanted to put a little bit brown on it. I don't know whether how it's going to look. I don't know. There's no harm in trying. I think there's no harm in trying. I think I'm going to try it and see how it looks. There's no harm in trying. I should. Or should I leave it this way? I think it's okay. Okay. Let me just leave it so that it's okay for me. Let me just leave it this way. I think let me just leave it this way. It's okay. It's okay. So guys, I'm just feeling this makeup. I don't know. I'm doing makeup, but this makeup, I'm just feeling it. I don't know. I'm just feeling it. So I'm going to spray my face with essential instant matte makeup setting spray. So that's what I'm going to use.